This is a white model 804 Selectronic sewing machine. It is all metal. It is a beast, 40 plus pounds. It has built-in stitches using a cam stack. And actually the cam stack is interchangeable if you are lucky enough to find the other stacks. I don't have another one. They're very hard to come by. But the cam stack does pop out of the little door in the back. And if you have the other cam stack, you can have more patterns. Has a 1.6 amp motor. It uses short or low shank screw-on feet and attachments. It uses class 15 bobbins, and it actually even has a basting stitch on it. There's a little A and B control down under there. It does have stretch stitches up here. A and B are your two stretch stitches on the top. And you'll have to read the manual on how to access those. You have to push the reverse button to turn this and yada yada. Has a built-in buttonholer, and you can also do creative embroidery patterns if you choose, because this is spring-loaded, your stitch width lever. Has a speed control for the motor, 0 through 10. Cosmetically, it's not the greatest, but I've seen worse. It does have paint damage issues here on the front edge. Everywhere else it looks pretty nice except right there on that front edge. It's tabletop ready, or it can be put in any carrying case or cabinet. Comes with a box of goodies, which includes a zipper foot, button sewing foot, hemmer feet, binder, edge stitcher, screwdriver, seam guide, straight stitch plate, bobbins, all different kinds of stuff in there for you. And it also includes the original instruction manual. We'll sew some things for you. The bobbins and needles, of course, would be bought anywhere as simple and easy as Walmart. Start with a basic 2-layer fabric sample. It's a good smooth running machine. Turn up speed a little. Zigzag. You have to actually pull the lever to go to a zigzag. Lock it in place. And the speed adjustment does work. Let's go ahead and do a design. This is like a ball stitch. We'll pull it down narrow. Stitch. Got a 3-level speed dog on this also. Very nice. Let's go back to the zigzag. This is 12 layers of cotton. Definitely a beast of a machine. Beautiful, perfect balance stitch on 12 layers of cotton, 8 layers of denim. And I'm not nearly going full speed. Hard to get going full speed when you have 4 inches. It's more like full speed. It goes pretty fast. Beautiful balance stitch on denim. This is 8 layers of a thick cotton upholstery fabric. Very nice. You also get these fabric samples. This is 3 layers of garment leather. If you're going to work consistently on leather, you might want to invest in a an even feed foot, which does exactly what it says. It feeds your fabric evenly under, instead of being maybe off a little bit. Very, very nice. Last but not least, I'm going to do very, very thin, delicate chiffon. Let up a little bit on all the pressures. Does very nice work on chiffon. Oops. Too far. Didn't let up enough on my pressure. Nope, didn't let up enough on my feed pressure. There's 2 layers of chiffon. And that is the white 804 1.6 amp Selectronic.